How to sign in into ParentPay account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your ParentPay account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, open up a web browser and then simply search for ParentPay login. And after you search for that, you can head over directly to their official website, that is parentpay.com as well. After that, there you will see a parent login option right here, right around here. Hover over there and there you will see two different options. Tap on parent login. After you tap on it, here you can see this is the login page. Type in your email address or username and then your password. After doing that, you can tap on login and you'll be logged in into your account. Be sure to type in the current credentials and you're good to go. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.